Hey, today we'll be unboxing the savory KRUPS 12 cup programmable coffee maker EC3130. This one actually has a lot of features in it. If you see here on the back, it allows you to program the buttons and set a timer. It does have a permanent gold filter in there, so that would be a great one, so you don't have to keep buying filters. And then you can actually pause the brewing, and then you can serve, and then you can resume the brewing again. It does have that option. And then you can actually press a bold button to make the coffee kind of stronger. And yeah, that's there are some other options in there, like keeping the coffee or the water warm for up to 4 hours, so that'll be nice. And we'll be unboxing this, so let's go ahead and get started. So let's open up the box. So right here is just a cardboard. And then here's the coffee machine. And then there are some manuals that are included with it, so if you want to learn how to use it, it's great. It goes over, how to set it up, some pictures, so that'll be nice. But let's take the machine out of the bag and see how it looks. Lots of wrapping. Let's get this out of the way. The coffee machine is not really that heavy. You can actually lift it up with one arm if you wanted to. And then in here, that's where the mug goes, or the coffee drips into the mug right here. That's interesting. This piece right here, it has like a straw or something. We'll have to see what that's for. Maybe you can just pour it out of here straight or somehow. But yeah, so it just sits here like a normal machine. And then up here at the top you can open this up. It does looks like it comes with some kind of cup right here. This one might be some coffee in here, I'm not sure. And then this is the filter. You don't need to buy different filters, you can just rinse this one out, so that'll be great. And then over here we have the bold, so if you want stronger coffee you can select that if you want to. And then here we have keep warm, so you can keep the water warm. But I'm interested in seeing what's in this bag right here, so we'll go ahead and open it. Okay, so it looks like some kind of coffee in here, so we'll just have to brew it and see. So after checking out this piece right here, it actually turns out that this is a filter. So once you open up the top, There you'll find this like at the left hand corner, and then this packet actually goes in here, and that's going to be the filter. Well, one of the filters. There's two different filters, so this is probably more of a water filter than a coffee filter. And then this just sticks back here. And that's it. So we'll be starting to brew a coffee. First thing is get your ground coffee already, and then just at the top right here, just pour it down in the filter. That's good. And then the other thing is to pour the water. So we'll go ahead and pour some water at the top. Don't pour it on the coffee, just pour it to the side of it. There's a spot for water. So just go ahead and put the water back here. And then after you've poured the water, just go ahead and close the lid. One of the things to watch out for is right here on the right hand side there is a water meter. So it looks like we might need to add more water, so we'll go ahead and do that. Okay, let's see how oh, we're barely not even at the max. Yeah, looks like we reached the max now. So we'll go ahead and close it. And then back here on the machine we're going to click the brew button and then hold it. So it looks like it made a beeping noise, so probably it'll start soon. Well, it sounds like something is happening. Or let's try to get this out of the way so you can see the coffee. Yeah, it's getting hot. I'm not sure if it's kind of foggy in there, so it's hard to see what's happening. Well, the inside is really foggy. Okay, so the water is still going, and then it's actually filling up with coffee at the bottom. It is kind of dark to see, but coffee is filling up at the bottom. So that's okay, so the machine has stopped brewing. We filled it up to the 12, which is the max. I think that means cups. And then looks like it made about 10 cups of coffee right here. If you look at the meter right here on the side. So let's pour us some hot coffee. Very nice and hot. And then we'll put that back, and then this took about 10 minutes to 12 minutes just to brew about 10 cups to 12 cups of coffee. If you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more upcoming videos.